Hey everyone, have you ever been out hiking, and come across a plant or an animal?
And you have absolutely no idea what it is.
Exactly. Is it dangerous? Is it rare? Is it, edible?
That's happened to me so many times.
Right.
Yeah.
It's like the world's full of these mysteries just waiting to be unlocked.
And wouldn't it be amazing to have instant knowledge right at your fingertips?
Well, that's what we're diving into today. We're exploring this idea of using XR glasses, like those augmented reality things, to basically identify, catalog everything on Earth.
Sounds ambitious, right?
It does.
Yeah.
But it's more than just an idea.
Yeah.
There's this concept for a game actually called AR Bio.
Right, and it's like using this combination of XR glasses and AI.
AI. So robots going to be cataloging everything for us? Are we putting ourselves out of a job?
Well, not exactly robots. It's more like, think of it like this. You're out in the world, right? You're wearing these XR glasses and you see, I don't know, a really cool looking flower. And instead of pulling out your phone and trying to Google it,
Which never really works anyway, right?
the glasses would use advanced AI to, analyze what you're seeing.
Tell you what it is, right?
Exactly. Imagine having a super powered field guide built right into your vision. It would tell you the species, maybe some fun facts about it, and it would automatically add it to this massive global database.
Okay, so it's not robots taking our jobs. It's more like...
It's more like we all become citizen scientists. We're all contributing to this huge effort to map and understand life on Earth.
I love that. And the game part of it makes it, more fun than just doing data entry, right?
Exactly. So in the AR Bio concept, they have all this gamification stuff built in. You level up, you earn badges. You can even compete with your friends on leaderboards to see who can identify the most species.
Wait, they have leaderboards. So I could be the top...
The top naturalists.
Yes, the top naturalist in the world. Okay, I'm sold.
And, to make it even more engaging, there would be those in-app purchases.
Ooh, in-app purchases. Now we're talking. So what, I can buy a special lens that lets me see microscopic organisms or maybe a time-lapse feature so I can watch a flower bloom in 2 seconds.
Yeah, those are some creative ideas. Who knows what they'll come up with. But even without all the flashy extras, the potential impact of this game on scientific research is just massive.
Right, because if we had a complete catalog of every living thing, I mean, that would be a gold mine for scientists, right? What could they do with all that information?
Oh, so much. They could track endangered species, so much better than we can now. They could study migration patterns. They could understand how ecosystems work. They could probably even discover new species that we didn't even know existed.
Right, because we haven't explored every corner of the planet, right?
Yeah.
There's still so much out there that we don't know about.
And the thing is, the planet's changing so quickly, right? With climate change and habitat loss and all these things, it's more important than ever to have this baseline data.
I understand what we're losing and what we need to protect, right?
Exactly. So this game, it's not just a fun way to, spend an afternoon outdoors. It's actually a way to help preserve biodiversity, for future generations.
Okay, so now I'm thinking bigger picture, if we could catalog all life on Earth, would that change how we see ourselves? As humans, as part of this whole web of life? Because right now it's kind of easy to feel disconnected from nature,
It is, and I think that's part of the problem. We sort of see ourselves as separate from nature, but we're not. We're completely interconnected. And I think having this comprehensive understanding of all the different life forms on Earth, it could really shift our perspective. It could make us more aware of our impact on the planet and maybe even inspire us to be better stewards.
Right. It's if we knew more, maybe we would care more.
Sure.
Right. So are you saying that the future of scientific exploration is going to be all fun and games?
Well, I think there's definitely a place for playfulness and engagement in science because if we can make it fun, more people will participate, and the more people participate, the more we'll learn, and the better chance we have of protecting this amazing planet.
That's a great note to end on.
We need all the help we can get.
We do. So next time you're out in nature, take a moment to really look around and appreciate all the incredible diversity of life, and maybe, just maybe, imagine a future where we have a complete catalog of every single species and what that could mean for us and for the planet.
And maybe it starts with a game.
Maybe it does.